know the one that I love with all my heart. I want people to know the one that I live for every day. I want them to come to know Him, to love Him, and to live for Him. 透過講呢度這種故事一場，做這種寫唱，要投入把的人都能真正的時候。1 John chapter 1 verse 3. Our joy will be complete when we see the labors, the work of our labor. Now that we proclaim to you what we have seen and heard. 別嘅到呢就也會俾到過嘅俾到嗱。So that you also may have fellowship with us, and And our fellowship is with the Father and with His Son Jesus Christ. So we write this to make our joy complete. Based on the name, and based on the that is when they burst off the control. When we share Jesus Christ to you, and you come to know Jesus Christ, and you come to love Jesus Christ, and you come to live for Jesus Christ, and that's what we all do, that we share, then that's when our joy will be complete. And that's what Sister Yohan. It's okay to share chat. The result of being here to do long about the Jesus. And the about the Jesus. The bell of power of power and do what I used to do, patient or name of what I used to, they told that they won't get some shit. Jihalim, they tell me, see, you know, they could need some shit. So they call it John York. More shit to run a paper bunch, you watch, they don't share the information. 我觉得真上的好。The first step and the most important for my kids, when I see them, love Jesus and live for Jesus Christ. That's the first and the most important step for your children. 你頭要講呢個就要呢個字作詞嘅，alright，很美好。但是要特別是我哋嘅俾人呢弄有些，特別上特別就沒有辦法去，澳洲就是俾路，俾上特別的地方，很出口的諗法，嘅特別當地嘅包人，叫我就俾一個走勢，所以俾是當地人，再俾做嘅。到用這，這給到用的英雄更難，也是沒做，也是有時候讓人打鐵跟動，鐵被被土地越小，鐵路明天等有可能包上被土地死。